Okay, Mr. Garrett, thank you for sending your watch in. Well, first thing I note is that we have actual liquid water inside the watch. So just to recap, I went through and serviced this watch for you in 2019. So 5 years ago. You've been wearing it pretty regularly since then. Wow, look at our crystal. I've never seen one of our crystals that worn. That's crazy. But then you've been wearing it, and then it got, because of an accident, it got put through the washing machine through all the cycles. So right now, it's got liquid water inside. I To get all that out, what's going to happen? Like like the loom is literally has moisture just sitting on it. So we need to. I'm going to need to do basically a full service. The whole inside of this watch is going to have moisture in there. I reloomed this handset. How did that happen? It's really weird. Isn't it astonishing, though, that the watch is running with this much moisture inside? Any case, so I need you to decide if you are ready for, if you want me to go through it. We're at the service interval time regardless, but with all this water in there, it needs to be gone through, and like as quickly as possible. I don't want to open it up at all. I'm not even going to look inside unless I can take it apart completely, because the moment I open it, it's going to start corroding even more. I have no idea what I'm going to find in there when we go, but you let me know if you'd like to go ahead. But it's going to need a full service, because everything has to come apart and all the water has to come out. It's not like a simple thing where it's just, some heightened humidity inside the watch. There's liquid water in there, so everything's got to come apart. You let me know if you want me to go ahead. I would imagine the answer is going to be yes, because this is your father's watch and you've been wearing it for 5 years. But you tell me if you want to go ahead with that.